Quality comes from time, success comes from persistence. Hebei Zebung Rubber Technology Co., Limited, located at High-Tech Development Zone, Jing County, covers a total area over 60,000 square meters. Zebung is a scientific research and development production-oriented enterprises, engaged in the field of rubber hoses including large-diameter offshore marine oil hoses, industrial fluid hoses, food hose, chemical hose, etc. The company has imported a number of 40 meters, 60 meters automatic equipment from Italy, and has a number of large-diameter production lines. We can meet the requirements of customers in various orders. The production of the intensive refining workshop has greatly improved the quality and output of rubber film. The raw material rubber adopts the segmented treatment. Black rubber and colored rubber are separated in order to ensure the quality of the colored rubber. Strictly, inspection should be carried out and qualified before production. Zebung has strong research and design ability to meet bulk production capability in the field of offshore oil pipelines. Zebung's original design marine pipeline includes mainline floating hose, reducing floating hose, tail floating hose, tanker rail floating hose, half floating hose with one end reinforcement, submarine hose with one end reinforcement, mainline submarine hose. Zebung and China University of Petroleum Ocean Engineering Research Institute cooperated to establish a provincial-level research and development laboratory, using advanced software to analysis and varies of property testing to promote continuous improvement of offshore pipelines. Since 2019, Zebung's marine oil prototype hoses were inspected by French BV, which was following the general standard of OSINF GMFAOM 2009. Testing items was completely witnessed and recorded through visual inspection. Dynamic bending testing. Torsion testing. Tensile testing. Burst testing, etc. After more than 10 strictly testing, all the standard request testing items were passed successfully. Finally, Zebung obtained 6 certifications of OSINF standard for 300 mm single carcass floating oil hose, 300 mm single carcass submarine oil hose, 600 mm single carcass floating oil hose, 600 mm single carcass submarine oil hose, 600 mm double carcass submarine oil hose, 600 mm double carcass floating oil hose. Our products are also highly appraised by foreign customers.
Among the biggest orders, and for our country it's the second time to place order from Zebung Rubber Technology Company Limited. And even in our country they are happy with their quality.
The offshore pipelines independently developed by Zebung are exported to France, Brazil, Turkey, Tanzania, Indonesia, and other countries and regions, and applied to key engineering and projects, widely praised by overseas customers. After more than 10 years of precipitation, Zebung has completed the accumulation of products, technology, talents, research and development. The fruitful results and achievements we ushered today, just are starting toward our better goal. Now, we are heading for higher heights, benefit the world, prosper the works. Zebung's excellent quality products provide global customers with a valued experience.